10 waterfalls, measured top to bottom, counting down. Number 10, Mattenbach Falls, 840 meters. 9, Pu'uka'oku Falls, Hawaii, 840. 8, James Bruce Falls, Canada, 840. 7, Vinnufossen, Norway, 845. 6, Balåifossen, Norway, 850. 5, Yumbilla Falls, Paul's, 896. 4, Oloʻupena Falls, Hawaii, 900 meters. Now, number 3, Hermanas Falls, Peru, 914 meters. Number 2, Tugela Falls, South Africa, 940 meters. And number 1, Angel Falls, Venezuela, 979 meters, water that turns to mist before it ever hits the ground. Subscribe to Outlier for more data point worth seeing.